Hello, everybody. I'm hoping this message finds you well. I did want to take the opportunity to record this video as we finish up our college skills class. It is Wednesday morning, and for some of you, you are wrapping up your classes in your semester as a whole. Some of you have already submitted your final, but I did want to take the opportunity to at least connect with you one last time for our class and just mention certain things, certain updates. But first of all, I just want to congratulate you in finishing up your semester. This has been a unique and very interesting fall term for all of us. It has not been easy. I could assure you that. And I know that some of you are contemplating, next semester as we continue on with this online education. But I definitely have to say, my respects to you. I commend you for what you've done in finishing up, this semester as a fully online student, because it's not an easy task. And our class has definitely been, very interesting to say the least in regards to just how things have played out. But I am hopeful that throughout these past 16 weeks, you have learned and at least touched on the different themes and topics that are going to be important for you as you continue on with your higher educational journey. But just know this, at the end of the day, it's a matter of consciousness and proactive effort. As you continue to understand really the importance of higher education and your place here, in college, I think that serves as a purpose to continue moving forward and really understanding that this is something that you want to do and that ultimately you are not doing this by yourself. So you have earned a new contact, a person who you could reach out to at any given time while here at MJC and further on beyond. Please, I'm hoping that we could stay connected in that sense, because that is my role as an educator for life. So to that, I do want to commend you, congratulate you for finishing up my class. I'm hoping that it was exciting and you enjoyed it as much as we could have done, being in this online platform. I'm hoping that these next couple of weeks you get some time to just relax, be at home safe, and get ready for the spring semester. Couple updates about the class. I did post up in week 16's module just some information about late work. If you do have some late work from weeks 11 through the 14th that you might have not been able to submit, I'm willing to work with you. Go ahead and finish that up. Submit it. If possible, please send me an email. Let me know that you have submitted something. That way, as I'm going through and putting grades together, I'm conscious of going back and giving you applicable points. But to that, just want to highlight just the final. That reflective piece is more of a culmination of the 16 weeks. Please take your time. Follow the instructions. It's very clear. It is similar to the letter that you wrote at the beginning of the semester, but this is more of a culminating reflective piece. And this really helps to serve, just an assessment of just the overall class, but ultimately your growth within our College Skills 100 class. This week I will be available for office hours. Today at 11 I will be connected, just as on Friday I will be connected as well at 3 p.m. But regardless, you know how to get a hold of me. You can reach out to me. So to that, again, I do want to just extend my hand to you, but then ultimately congratulate you and know that I am very proud of you. I'm hopeful that as you begin here at MJC, this has given you an opportunity to just really build a strong foundation for you to move forward and complete your academic and personal goals. So I'm hoping that you have a good holiday holiday break. I will be out starting next Monday, and I won't be back until, the week before school starts. So if you reach out to me, I will be checking email. I will submit grades this weekend. So I'm hopeful that, you meet the deadline of Friday night to submit any late work, or if you have any questions regarding anything regarding grades, please let me know. But this is not a goodbye. You have my contact info, and I am very fortunate to have met all of you I wish at one point in person, in the near future. But I'll take virtual meetings for the meantime, so I'm very grateful of having the opportunity to have met you all, so thank you. This class this semester has been a big learning opportunity for me as an educator. I won't be teaching this spring semester. I have other coordinating duties that I need to attend to, but hopefully in the summer things are looking a little bit better, and if we're back in person, we'll back in person. If not, then we'll take on another online class. So again, not a goodbye. I'm hoping we stay connected, but did want to reach out to you all and say thank you. Appreciate you all. Take care.